How old are you? What can you remember from your childhood? Do you remember what you used to look like? What about your first best friend? Your favorite games? The first time you rode a bike? Thanks to our brain, we have access to things that we've experienced in the past. It's like having our own personal photo and video album, which we can view and replay whenever we want. How are these memories stored in our mind? Well, there are two ways: short-term and long-term memory recollection. Short-term memories are processed in the front of the brain in a highly developed area called the prefrontal lobe. Short-term memories are then translated into long-term memories in a deep area in the brain called the hippocampus. This takes simultaneous memories from different sensory regions of the brain and connects them into a single episode of memory. For instance, you have a single memory of a birthday celebration instead of different memories of how it went, like how it looked, sounded, or smelled. When memories are played through the hippocampus, connections between neurons connected with a memory will become a fixed combination. For example, if you hear a music track, you will remember situations associated to where you heard that music. When scientists reviewed a brain scan, they saw different regions of the brain light up when someone thought of an episode of memory. This showed how memories represent an index of all these recorded thoughts and sensations. Our brain's hippocampus helps solidify the pattern of connections that form a memory. However, the memory itself depends on the solidity of the connections between individual brain cells. In experiments with animals, scientists have proven that removing or changing just a single chemical or molecule prevents the formation of memories. It can even destroy memories that already exist. Think about the things you did today, say what you had for breakfast. If you thought of a bowl of cereal or a plate full of bacon and eggs, that single memory was the result of a great and complex power. Every day, our brain processes information while all of the different systems work together to come up with a connected thought. Through memory, we are able to store, preserve, and reproduce information. Whether we remember something at a snap of a finger or a longer period of time, it takes a lot of factors in our brain to complete the process. Isn't it amazing how much information our brain can store? In fact, your memory can associate a scent with a certain event or occurrence. A smell can trigger the memory in your mind associated with it.